Well, hello there, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Well, you could have guessed it. My favorite waste of time and my favorite way of dealing with my little bit of a stress issue. Very strange way to deal with it, but okay, you know me. So, let's play a little bit high level. Arcade, of course, because the real stuff, not realistic mode, that stresses me. This is just pure fun. Doesn't matter. Nothing. Nothing really matters. And I really love to play my Gepard, even though it's an excellent drone killer in Ukraine at the moment. I heard. So the socialists say. But in this game, I think it's also excellent. And it is pretty. Oh my god. This is bloody loud. $94. How do I turn this down? Oh my god. Okay. I just have to live with it until next game. Look at that. I got the good Mr. Bow. Is that Mr. Bow Shingles? Well, it's a weapon definitely too. Oh, bastard! We were just gonna wait here for the enemy. It's Alt F for locking on and CR to do the automatic aiming shit. Finally found that out the other day. Look at that. Yeah, Panzer, verdammt noch. Yeah. Why the hell? Is this just for me to go out and die? Yes, it is. There's a leopard. Hell no, man. And everybody's just a kung fu fighter. Yeah, look at that missile incoming. For sure he was looking at me. Or somebody behind me. Oh, too bad. My position is going to get overrun, isn't it? We need to watch. Ah, he was shooting. Look at that. Shooting smokes at me. Nobody's flying yet. That's a good sign for everybody, actually. Oh, don't go up. Oh my god, no. Is that one of mine? You bloody bastard. Look at that. Oh man. Okay, man. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was, you know, I was thinking the same. Those are stupid things to do, but you know, once a hero, always a hero, eh? Is that what they say? He was just sitting there. But anyways, we're going to take our TAM, which is a light tank and excellent for scouting. We got the discarding Seppo. We're going to go across here. White Diablo. Let's see if I can. This is a little bit higher level than the Russians. Let's see if I can. Did he kill my bear? Ah! Who the fuck shot me? I would say it was not the guy I was shooting at. No. Difficult. The Leopard 1-1. Well, we also got this discarding Seppo. And now they're flying. Goddamn. Let's see if we can do any damage here. How the goddamn. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. The amount of bullshit in this game sometimes. Yeah. The day started badly. As you can see, I am currently in the German line and I am absolutely trying to get this done, but the way things are going here, it will take me ages to get to the final level. We will of course play our gay part. I know we got that on the. I don't know where I got it here. Never been able to play it. We're going there. And of course we're gonna, if they are gonna sit a little bit back here, somewhere around here perhaps. You know, perhaps most of the best part of this game is just playing this AA.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
Well, reminds me of my job in the military, so
Recon reports enemy spotted.
so this is quite nice. Leopard, of course a German one. I just hope they're going to fly or something.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
Dangerous position now.
Recon reports enemy spotted. Recon reports enemy spotted.
Oh, right, yeah.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
We actually can kill tanks with these armor-piercing rounds that I got. No aircraft yet. Okay. No.
9 Uhr. Entfernung 1200 Meter.
Bad position for my radar, huh? Wonder why it's not on.
Hubschrauber 2 Uhr.
Attack the A-point. Attention to the map. Enemy forces have captured the zone. Attention to the designated grid zone. Look that way.
God damn it! I didn't get it, huh? It's still there.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Yes.
To the designated grid zone.
Goodbye. He's dead. We better get reloaded here first. Quick. We can see the next one is on the way. And the blue guys are coming from this position. That position.
12 Uhr.
There and there.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Somebody cover me. Attention to the map.
Oh, sweet Jesus. I'm all out of goddamn ammo.
Allied forces.
Come on. He's still heading 020 Angels 1.
Attention to the map. Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close. Attention to the designated grid square.
We got Hubschrauber. We got the lock on.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the map.
Hey, I thoroughly enjoyed that. We got the next victim on the way. Just need to watch where he's coming from. He's Fliegeralarm. He's coming Alt F and there.
1900 Meter.
Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the map.
Is he falling down? No.
Need cover.
He did? Probably. It didn't hit him. Yeah,
Attention to the map.
didn't hit him. Even more. Where are they at? You know your team is losing when
11 Uhr.
you're flying a lot. God Oh, too hot or what? Listen to that bird. Huh? Hey.
Sorry.
Okay. Yep. And next time I will have Australia.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Tiger, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 1000 Meter.
Defend the A point. Angriffsziel erreicht.
Well, did my job. I think. So soon we're gonna get artillery support. And don't worry, I will make those news. Or the AI. I haven't pressed start yet because it's not fully auto. So player statistics. Blah blah blah. 889999. Yes, I was a high level, but these were great guys. What do we got? Radio operate. If we can get some aiming on some other thingy. So where should we be at here? Here I like to play. Let's play Gepard, yeah? These DM23s, they can punch through leopard armor. Depending on where I have hits, of course.
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Windschütze bereit.
Yeah. So this is quite dangerous area.
Ziel 9 Uhr. Entfernung 1100 Meter.
So we got the UAVs in this game as well now. And soon we are going to have drones. Did he got shot down? Perhaps. Okay. People are killing on BMP2. Zerstört. Oh. Another one got to be toasted. That is DF105. That's we can take them with these if we can. Oh my god, not like that. And look at that, he's got me. He's got me, goddamn.
4 Uhr. 600 Meter.
Oh, fire, fire! I didn't watch where I was going. Oh my god! Yes. Let's take this one. Quite like it. Ocho 50. So this is this Argentinian and that's Israeli. Let's see if we can shoot across here. Yeah. That's identical to mine. He's spotting. Definitely spotting. He's. Oh. Oh, he's. Don't I have a. Thank you very much. Come again. Ah,
¡Tanque! ¡Un en punto! ¡Alcance! 700. ¡Tanque! ¡Un en punto! ¡Alcance!
aye.
600.
Okay, but he's out as well. Huh? He's a goddamn. He should be slightly hurt. Yeah.
0-0.
He's popping smoke. We shall take.
Need cover. Destroy the target.
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Entfernung 1000 Meter! Over!
Verstanden! Vorwärts, Marsch!
Nobody's,
Strategic zones are captured.
nobody's flying. There's a good sign as always. Ooh, they're killing us on the T3. Oh,
Hubschrauber! 1 Uhr! Hubschrauber! 2 Uhr! Entfernung 1900 Meter!
Somebody attack him!
Ziel beschädigt!
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Hubschrauber! 2 Uhr!
Ziel ausgeschaltet!
Attack the enemy. Flieger!
Getroffen! Ziel ausgeschaltet!
Artillerieschlag in unserem Sektor. Artillerieschlag in eurem Sektor.
Panzer! 1 Uhr! Entfernung 650 Meter!
goddamn bastards.
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 650 Meter!
We need to, by the way, we do goddamn reload. And we got.
10 Uhr!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Ziel beschädigt! Ziel beschädigt! Ziel zerstört!
Okay. What is the music going on here? Bird. Look. Oh. Apache. The others got MI8. Oh my god. That's talk about getting. So. This tractor definitely can reverse. Oh, look at that.
Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 650 Meter!
We are not gonna stay for that party.
There are forces have captured a zone.
Oh my god, look at that! No. Our ammo box.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
I need to go and attack here. my god.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
Motor brennt. Höhenrechtsantrieb ausgefallen.
Hey! Bastard! Well, I should have smoked before. That was badly played of me, for sure. So I think it's let's just have a little bit of look at that of a little watchy. We got these to be leveled. What about this? Yes, a lot. What about my tam? Also a lot. What about this rack? Oh my god, also a lot. And that also a lot. And this one also a lot. Just a lot of all over the place. So what am I actually leveling? I am leveling. On the ocelot. Yeah. Like this Flugabwehrsystem. And I think I was at this position exactly 3 years ago or something like that. Oh my god. Yeah, but I haven't played it a lot, just lately. And of course this is the end, but this is actually gonna be the end for me. Hey. Anyways, where was I at? I got I was looking at radio operator, huh? Radio communication. What about loader? No. Commander? No. Gunner? No. Driver? No. Oh my god. I'm gonna take that and it's out of the way. 380,000 to get it fully leveled. Oh no, not fully leveled. Second best, I think. Third best, second best. $22.17. The 3D printer is still going. Yeah, you know the drill. We're gonna take the Gepard, and I think we're going to hide somewhere. Well, they used to come pop up somewhere in the middle, huh? I think.
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
Somewhere over here. Albania. Is that the motherland? And so where I should stand and take some pot shots. Oh,
Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 850 Meter.
thank you. Come again. Look at that. Huh? The power. Drawing blood from.
Panzer 10 Uhr. Entfernung 850 Meter.
So we're going to be patient here. Just a little bit.
Most of the zones are under control.
Panzer 8 Uhr. Entfernung 900 Meter.
He is not moving. He did not go that way because
Enemy forces have captured a
There's somebody watching over here, huh? You know what? Let's go and find out.
Entfernung 850 Meter.
Come on. He should have been dead already. Oh my god, that's annoying, huh?
Fehlschuss rechts.
If he's like... Well, he's not dead yet, that's for sure.
Panzer.
How the hell has that...
750 Meter.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg.
Okay. He's alone, my guy. There he is. Where the hell is he at?
Entfernung 350 Meter.
Low, low.
Panzer. 12 Uhr. Entfernung 950 Meter. Panzer. 11 Uhr.
Look at that. Capitan Pompeyou. Let's reload. Oh, holy moly, huh?
All efforts and victory will be ours.
Fehlschuss hoch. Fehlschuss rechts. Weiter links. Weit. Tiefer anrichten.
Goddamn took my
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 800 Meter.
took out my radar. Alt R, huh? There he is. Oh my god, come on. That was Windows. Alt R, CR, CR,
Hubschrauber. 11 Uhr.
Alt F, Alt R. Oh my god, who the hell is shooting me?
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Alt R. Oh my god, I'm pressing the wrong buttons! Oh, look at that. Alt E, man. Oh, hopeless being old, man.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 800 Meter.
Well, I really botched it for me that time, huh? Let's see if we can see the bastard.
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter. Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter.
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Yeah, he got me as well. Huh? Oh my god. What's going on here? Yeah, sure.
Leopard. 12 Uhr. Entfernung
probably ready.
Leopard, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 800 Meter.
Panzer! 1 Uhr!
Entfernung
850 Meter!
I can hear choppers. Why I'm feeling like I'm a little bit damaged. It's very sucky to. Oh, look at that. Let's be helpful and get this as well.
Schützenpanzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter.
Und gute Arbeit!
Gute Arbeit, ja. Oh, anyways, yeah. I was just wondering when I would get some Christmassy stuff on my war thingy. Finally, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. 2026 celebrated with blood and gore. 176 167. I got so many issues, it's unbelievable. So 22, 26. And here, if I have a scouting tank, I will go there. Definitely to A. But here I need to hide if I am an AA, because they can shoot into my zone. So where should I hide? Where should I hide?
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
I think, yeah. So my Chinese friend, he's going. Is that Chinese? There's like a woman, huh? Woman sign. So, pitching woman or something like that is his call sign, I think. So, are we a little bit safe here, huh?
Leopard, 11 Uhr.
We can.
1600 Meter. Ziel, 10 Uhr. Entfernung, 1000 Meter. Leopard, 11 Uhr. Entfernung, 1600 Meter. Ziel, 10 Uhr. Entfernung, 900 Meter.
Running hot.
Rückwärts, Marsch.
I shouldn't waste my time on.
Mercy. Attack the aim point.
Let's
Ziel, 8 Uhr. Entfernung, 1100 Meter. Panzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung, 1500 Meter.
Kurz! Höhe anrichten! Fehlschuss kurz! Fehlschuss links! Weiter rechts! 10 Grad! Fehlschuss kurz! Kurz! Fehlschuss kurz! Kurz! Höhe anrichten! Weit! Tiefer anrichten!
okay.
Victory is near. Enemy forces have captured a zone. Somebody attack him!
Flieger, 5 Uhr.
Bastard!
Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 850 Meter. Leopard, 2 Uhr. Entfernung, 1100 Meter.
Attack the B point. Luftwaffenschüsse im Anflug. Somebody attack him.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung, 1600 Meter. Panzer, 10 Uhr.
Oh my god!
200 Meter.
That was okay. Yes.
364. 900.
Fucking Phantom.
10 en punto. Alcance. 850. Avión. 12 en punto. T-72. 11 en punto. Alcance. 1200. Por encima. Ajustar hacia abajo. Tanque. 11 en punto. Alcance. 700.
Casual lower here.
Tanque. 11 en punto. Alcance. 1300. Por encima. Ajustar hacia abajo.
Recon reports enemy spotted. Protect the B point. Just a little more effort, and victory will surely be ours.
Objetivo golpeado.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
Perforación de blindaje cargado.
was lucky.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
¡Tanque! ¡Dos en punto! ¡Cerca! ¡Objetivo dañado! ¡Objetivo destruido!
Hey! Ah,
¡Un en punto!
again, stupidly played of me. Yeah. Let's have some bonbons, even though I had like 1500 calories in goddamn crisps already today. 32% sour cream, half a geld, of course. I know. Let's take it. Every yeah, okay, exactly. Everything is on level here.
¡Silencio! ¡Conductor listo! ¡Aquí llegó! ¡Listo!
Look at that.
Attack the A point.
My bitchy Chinese guy is here. Definitely woman sign, because I think 3 woman signs is like noise.
¡Alcance! 350. ¡Por encima!
Oh,
¡Hacia abajo!
Preparación de blindaje cargado.
thank you. Come again. He was hungry, huh?
¡Tanque! 10 en punto. ¡A quemarropa!
¡Lo golpearon!
¡Objetivo destruido!
Preparación de blindaje cargado.
¡Dispare! ¡Tanque! 11 en punto. ¡Alcance! 450.
¡El motor se está quemando! ¡Falló la tracción horizontal! ¡El conductor está aturdido!
11 en punto. ¡Alcance! 450.
¡Fuga de combustible!
¡Objetivo dañado! ¡Tanque! 11 en punto. ¡Alcance! 450.
Come on. Okay, survived that. Unbelievable, huh?
Prepárense para encender el motor.
Encendiendo.
¡Recibido! ¡Ah! 12 en punto.
With triple A. Okay, can I fully repair here? That's the question.
Attention to the map.
¡Tanque! 8 en punto. ¡Alcance! 450. ¡Radiador dañado!
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
God damn it. Here's the XM803. And what that ever is. No match for my X03.
Attention to the map.
Okay.
Allá tiene camino.
¡Tanque! ¡Dos en punto! ¡Alcance! ¡Mil!
Allied forces have captured a zone.
He's out flying. What the hell? Dude.
Attention to the designated grid square. Attention to the designated grid zone. Attention to the designated grid zone.
¡Tanque! ¡Un en punto! ¡Alcance! 350. ¡Objetivo golpeado! Preparación de blindaje cargado.
Damn, this is a fast
Attention to the designated
reverser, huh? Look at this tractor go.
attention to the map. Attention to the map. Attention to the map.
Enemy forces have captured that zone.
¡Tanque! 3 en punto. ¡Cerca! ¡Objetivo destruido! Preparación de blindaje cargado.
Right time at the right place. Okay.
¡Tanque! 10 en punto. ¡Cerca! ¡A tiempo! ¡Disparen! ¡Tanque! 10 en punto. ¡Alcance! 300. Perforación de blindaje cargado. ¡Por encima! ¡Apuntar hacia abajo!
Yeah. Major procrastination. Looks like my 3D print is progressing nicely. Most excellent. I got some type of camouflage, brown camouflage, which is also excellent. We got the artillery support. Was not to like. I don't know with the UAV. I'm so, generally so shitty at playing this game. I'm gonna take the smokes for 500 gem. And definitely vision. If one should here it is field repair for 395 gem. How much more procrastination today? I don't know. A game or two. Yeah, 0.2 millimeters and 200 millimeters height. That gives us those lines. That's a lot. But fortunately for me, I'm printing it in waste mode, so it goes bloody fast. More news are coming out tomorrow, I think, or Saturday. It's just a regular pitching, of course. Some news about some AI from the Faroe Islands as well. Some Republican show with this AI, and no, not like you know it. These guys are socialists, socialist Republicans. Republicans in the word that they are against the kingdom part of our union. So, what are we going on?
¡Preparen sus vehículos! ¡Prepárense!
Conductor listo. Guillero, listo.
Oh, look at that! I got the brown one. That's not Christmassy. Oh my God! We should we go here. Yes, bro. Somebody got disappointed.
¡Tanque! ¡10 en punto! ¡Alcance! 950.
Look at that speed, 83.
¡Neumas! 9 en punto! ¡Alcance! 650.
Was that God damn. Yes, it was.
¡Tanque! 2 en punto! ¡A quemarropa!
And I've been spotted, yes, of course.
We are losing.
Aye.
Thanks.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
Didn't see that one coming. Unfortunately for me, I
Hubschrauber! 9 Uhr!
Alt R. Okay.
Vorwärts! Marsch!
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
Yes. Total failure. Uh, let's just save our money and go to spectator mode. We had approximately as much success as I. Oh, look at that. That was that. Oh my god. They can't even shoot that guy. Well, that was fun, but now it's time to be a grown man again. And I think I bid you good night. Moin.